So my name is Mathieu Graciano. I am 42 and I am the director of the company Aquatech. So Aquatech, it's a family company. We are based in France and located near Lyon. Aquatech, we are mainly involved in the water sector equipment. Few words about the history of Aquatech. Aquatech was created by my father, Mr. Jean-Marc Graciano, in 1995. And this is also the year we started to work with Greek companies like Palaplast. Unfortunately, the founder of Aquatech, Mr. Jean-Marc Graciano, he passed away 20 years ago in 2003. Myself, I was not involved in the business, but I decided to take it over. And at the same time, I hired my mother in the business. Then, in the year 2007, Romain, my little brother, joined us and partnered with me. So Aquatech didn't start as a family company, but we became a family company. Then we have grown every year, and in 2011 and recently in 2022, we expanded our facilities. So Aquatech, at the beginning, the main business of the company was to produce hydraulic valves for irrigation. We have a second business, and the second business was to deal with complementary products like fittings, filters, pipes, etc. And that's why we started a cooperation with strong and professional Greek companies like Palaplast. We are actually involved in the following fields that are irrigation, potable water, and industry. Okay, here is a quick overview of our range of products. Now, our vision is to become the essential distributor of equipment in the water sector. And our strengths are knowing how to define the best solutions. It's to work with the best suppliers to offer quality and responsiveness, and to be able to provide a full set of technical equipment. So from all this results a turnover in permanent growth, and the turnover of Aquatech increases steadily every year, and we reach now around 2 million euros. Here is businesses of Aquatech. We have two kinds of businesses. One is distribution, and the second one are projects. And in the company, these are two independent departments. Okay, distribution, we buy, we stock, and we distribute to different type of customers. On projects, this is different. We participate deeply into the project, from the study to the startup, and we are able to provide a wide range of equipment, even outside of our usual range. Here is the distribution of the turnover. As a French company, most of our sales are done in France, but like many French, we export a lot, either directly or through other French company. And actually, around 40% of our turnover is done at export over 30 countries. In France, we have very good connection with all the French-speaking territories worldwide. the French language is speaking in around 50 territories, and all these territories, they have, from close or far, historic relation with France. That's why for us, it's very easy to export products to these territories. And now I want to share with you the cooperation we had with a Greek company, Palaplast, for more than 25 years. 30 years ago, Palaplast was looking to expand their sales at export, and Aquatech was looking for new business. So with Palaplast, we decided together about the commercial strategy to apply in France. In France, our market has different levels. We have wholesalers, distributors, retailers, and end users. Aquatech has only one part of the market, and we didn't want to deprive Palaplast of sales in France. So, to be able to sell at all the levels, we decided to make an agreement and to work with Palaplast as a distributor and also as an agent. Acting as an agent for Palaplast, it permits us to introduce Palaplast to other wholesalers. Some of the wholesalers could be my competitors, but as you know, it is always better to have good relations with your competitors and to organize a clever business. Our common goal with Palaplast was to limit the introduction of other brands in France by selling the Palaplast products through different channels. Using this strategy, Palaplast has now 5 main distributors in France, but below, these are thousands of customers using Palaplast products. My job is to follow and to manage this business. So today, I really would like to thank Palaplast for trusting me 20 years ago when I arrived to Aquatech. I especially thank Mr. Costas Palatiana and his family. Thank you very much.